A big thank you to Modern Manufacturing India for giving us this opportunity to highlight our company Forms Gears and its products at IMTEX 2025. Forms Gears is one of the oldest fixture building companies in India currently. We are a 52-year-old company. This company was started by Reji Varghese, a mechanical engineer from IIT Kharagpur. It's a subsidiary of ASM Technologies, which is a publicly listed company based out of Bangalore in the engineering services business. We have about 1,300 employees in the group, and we have 200 people in this tool room in Forms Gears. We expect the Indian machine tool, automobile, electronic segment to grow exponentially over the next 5 to 10 years. And this is a great opportunity to highlight our products, our capabilities, the new areas we are foraying into, like automation. At IMTEX, we get to meet old clients, many of whom we've been doing business for 20 to 30 years, but we probably haven't met them, in the past 1 year or so, because business goes on as usual. So when we connect with these people, actually meet them, it's great to talk about, the past projects, the current projects ongoing, and their projections for the future. For 47 out of the 52 years we've been in business, we never had a single salesperson. It was all by word of mouth. We never had to do much talking because the fixtures did all the talking for us. If you're keen to know about how our work holding solutions can improve productivity for you, please do visit us at IMTEX 2025.